Hello, good morning. 10 o'clock stream. Super early today because I'll be gone tonight. So I won't have time to stream at the usual time. Okay. So yesterday I started work on save states and all of that fun stuff. Yeah. There's a short document that describes the save state format, and the basic idea is pretty simple. The save state defines the current state of the storyline, meaning the current state of the quests and their tasks. And it also defines the current region that was active when the save state was made. And finally, for each region that exists in the world, it defines a delta that defines or that tells you exactly which entities were removed from the region's initial save, which entities were added, and for all the ones that still exist in the same form, what their current state is. So when saving, it needs to compute this delta, and when loading, it just needs to I guess execute it. And I think that should be pretty much everything that can, or it should cover pretty much every case that is reasonable to expect. Naturally, this is going to miss changes if the changes are not persisted in some way. So, for instance, if in the state here some kind of change is not reflected, then obviously it won't be reloaded, but sometimes that's actually intentional and desired, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so I was busy hacking out the necessary implementation of the save file format, and we're pretty close to finishing it, so I'm just gonna, for the first while, I'm just gonna continue doing that and add these missing methods here. Alrighty. What was it? I believe there was a find quest function. Oh, I haven't even loaded the system yet. Whoops. Really? Where's that defined then? Oh, it's still here. Whoops. That's the wrong place for that. Entirely. Probably also move this into its own section. It's not strictly related to the packets. Where are these methods? Oh, I believe here. Yeah, I'm gonna need to rethink where to put the save state anyway. Probably the world, I'm not sure. Okay, flushed through, very nice. Oh, that's not in the ASD. Fade. I don't understand this error. Something to do with the effects. For some reason... It's a weird thing. I don't know what that is. I've encountered it before, but it's always been too confusing for me to even bother looking at it. It doesn't happen always either. It's something to do where it somehow caches the result of parsing GLSL code and then tries to reparse the resulting AST instead of the source. I don't know. It's a weird thing. Okay. I don't believe I have a find task function, which I should have. Why is tasks a list anyway? Wait, that's not every... What? Where's that even used? Oh. Where's transform? Might as well copy that as well, why not? Oops. That much easier. Good. Oh wait, I don't even have any other... Okay, never mind. So I don't even need a decode for the quest, for the status. No wait, that's different from how I had it. No wait, that's not at all the right thing. Here it is, I had it right. Ah, God, okay. Good. We're all good, we're all fine. That should take care of that. I hope. I'm not actually... Okay, setting the status is not invoke triggers and stuff. Good, excellent. That's exactly what I wanted. I don't remember if I had the foresight to actually do it like this, or if it's just coincidence. I'm gonna chalk it up to coincidence. Okay. So that should be everything for the save state, except for this function, the compute entity delta, which I still have not implemented. So let's see if I can do that. So right, how do we do this? I suppose the first thing to do would be to read out the original region state. I feel like that could be very expensive. I don't know. I don't know. Yep, this is fine. So using this method, I can load a region without attaching it to a world, which is exactly what I need. So wait, doesn't the world have a load region? Okay, good. I feel like I could do this better if I just add a this instead. Nah. Nah. Wait, where is the region even entered into the thing? That's here. Right. I'm getting a bit lost in all the things that are happening. Actually, I can't quite do it like this immediately. Yeah, I need to copy this instead. Okay. So now comes comparing the entities. Which now I just realize is actually not as straightforward as I thought it would be. Because of nesting. So that's or no, at least this is not as easy. So, how do we do this? Assuming that no entity can move between containers, we can just do, well, we can traverse both and list up all the entities we find and then do a difference on that, which would be slow and wasteful, but I don't know. Because trying to traverse both simultaneously sounds like a nightmare. Yeah. How does this work again? Map container tree. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much what I expected. Though that doesn't give me the parent, does it? Yeah. Well, it's easy enough to replicate myself instead. Oh, music ended. Whoops. What else can I play? Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. So many things will get me copyright claimed. which is not great. I always forget in which order set difference works. Every time. Let's see. Turns elements of... Oh, that's only for lists. Really? Not sequences? Huh. Okay. I guess I can't use vectors then. Annoying. Okay, returns elements of list 1 that do not appear in list 2. Okay. So that will be set current, set initial, times 2. I suppose I could remove the constraint of entities not moving between containers by just testing the entire thing with equal. It's probably gonna be fine like this. Okay. So that gives me the additions and the deletions, which is good. And I think that should be it. Let me look again. Let me do the region. Decoder, encoder. Yeah, so we need a different way of doing that at the moment. But yeah, I can just actually do that. And my birds are being rowdy. Sorry about that. What is this problem? Oh. Order. Okay. So now though, what did it say? Did the... Yeah, that includes the prefix already. Okay. So we can't quite do it like that. It needs to be... Ah, my birds, come on. a second. What would be a good way to encode that? Wait, is that even... How did I do that in the... Man, my microphone clipping does not sound good. Oh, it's just like that, okay. So I guess it needs to work like that. Probably not be called uniform, to be honest. That's a misnomer. Guess just in it. I don't know. Can't think of anything better right now. What is your problem? Direction is not a known. But it has to be. What are you talking about? Oh, right. Never mind. That's the thing. I'm a dingleberry. It's implicit already. Yay. Okay. Hello, backers. Good morning. And good morning to No Defun Allowed as well. Missed that message. Right. Okay. So
Yo.
now I can look at this. Is that correct? That doesn't seem correct to me. So many things happening. Noxie says hi, but she has to go to work for the Java squad. Okay. So how does this work here? Yeah, so I thought it's not quite like this. Wait. Wait, is it? I'm so confused. Hold on. No, wait, what? No, yes, okay. Jesus, alright. I wish you could, like, make init args keyword arguments required easily. But it's annoying to do. Whatever. Okay, I think that should be everything. Is that it's not even worth doing it like this. I'm just gonna do like that instead. Okay. I think that should be everything. And I say that a lot, and it's almost never true. Or, it's true that I think it, but it's never the case. That it is everything. So, okay. Okay. Right. So, let me see. Data. Good. Now, I just need to make a save state. Okay. was the name of the region? Base. Was it really that? Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, so that looks like a lot, and it is a lot of, like, clutter or whatever. But I think we should have now a proper initial state. Not here, in it. Okay. So many files! I might have over-engineered things, but we'll see in the future whether it's over-engineered or not, I guess. Okay, so the only thing now is to go into system and set the initial state to init. Okay. Let's reload everything. And launch it. Here goes nothing. Yeah, okay, that was nothing. Didn't work correctly. Hooray. Time to debug some shit.
Boom.
Hell yeah, son. Did I have... I had some kind of debug thingy category. Also be... it's loading the world. And then it's doing nothing beyond that. Alright. So there's a problem here. It's not loading the state for whatever reason. Break me, baby. Initial state is something, so why is it not loading the state? Really wish Emacs would not just jump around wildly in files at random. That would be awesome. State, packet world. So this should have been invoked. Can I not recompile it? Because that happens a lot. Nope. What? What is happening? Let's load. Save. God. Oh, it's load state, not load save state. Whoops. Oh my God, why are these birds so loud? Alright. It's just... What?
The burbs are super active this morning.
Yeah, it's morning and it's bright out, and they want to scream. It's what they do. You can be glad I'm usually streaming in the evening when they're more tired. Yeah, it's just not... Trace is just not being invoked. Why? How? What? Is it somehow not... Is this just not happening? Yeah, that's not happening somehow. So with packet is not calling things. What the fuck? That's weird. Call with package. Oh. Man, I'm a fucking genius. Oh, God. Wait, that's not the right. Nice. Okay, fine. Okay, better. We're doing much better now. At least we're getting an error. Good. Oh, wrong argument order. Okay. Actually, I can just do that from the REPL without having to launch everything. Load world. Can't create directory in it. What do you mean? Why are you trying to do that? What? Why is entry path? Why does it have a beginning slash? That's odd. Did I write that? No, I didn't. So where does that come from? Oh, from the offset. Okay. What is this? Ah. Code payload, load state. So this packet here, which has... Oh, it's an empty string offset. Okay. Why is that the default? That shouldn't be the case, should it? Yeah. Probably not, maybe? Question mark? Okay, that should help with that. Why still? Ah! Oh, because of this. Getting further, somehow. Code payload. Why is that a problem? Oh, right. No decoder for the payload world. Where is that even? What? Should probably also reference the version, to be honest. Wrong files. Oh my god. For debugging, things are just annoying sometimes that arguments are optimized out. Okay, save v0. Pretty sure I had a world for that, no? Yeah, I do. What the fuck do you want from me? No decoder for the payload. What there is one. It's right here. Is the argument order wrong again? Oh. Wait, what? Yeah, it is, I think. Yeah, it was. Okay. So this should not actually look at the payload, but rather at the target as well. So I got confused all over the place. Good. Yeah. So there we go. Oh, goody. Oh, right, we need to. Derp, derp. Interesting. Not finalized. What? I guess that's part of my what is that? Type prototype, yeah. Really annoying that you have to do that. No asset with my player on pool. World data. That's interesting. Why not? There should be. It should have loaded the thing that defines it. Should be in assets. Oh, did I not add that to system? Yeah, I didn't. Whoops. Well, that explains things. What else did I do? Meta. Yeah, just these two, I believe, for now. Uh-huh. Wait, what is the problem? Where does it get that? Layered container. It's been a while since I tested everything, so... Huh. Yeah. So I need to make this into layered data instead. Not layered date, you dingleberry. Oh my god, I did it again.
It looks like it's stumbling in the right direction, though.
Yeah, it's getting further and further. And again, I never tested the save file format after I did some heavy changes, so I'm not surprised that other things are broken about it that don't have to do with the, Wait, hold on, no. No, okay, no, it's fine. Maybe this should be layer count instead. I don't know. Yeah, this should probably be layer count. Since the accessor is also called layer count, so let's do that instead. Okay. There we go. Invalid initialization argument layers. Where's do you get that from? No, wait, what? A region. Oh, right. No, that's broken. Okay. That should not be necessary anyway. Payload. Change scene. Where? I'm confused. That does not work anyway. And it does a test, so this should not be change scene, this should be transition. But hold on. Change scene. Where does the loading even happen in transition? Man, so many things I fucking forgot. Oh, it just does it. Okay. Well, that's not always what we want then. This should happen somewhere else. There's no class named trial base. What? Am I calling it wrong again? Is that what happened? What's happening? No, that's correct. So where is this error coming from? Oh my god. Oh, right. Does load region return a region? Probably should. I don't know if it does. Okay, it should. Can read from the directory. So many things. Yeah, that's not right anyway. Wait, needs to be... No, wait, what? I'm forgetting things. It is almost entirely, almost correct. Hold on, what? Bah. Maybe it should just be without the extension. I don't know. That would simplify things a bit. Maybe. No, wait, it wouldn't. God damn it. This is annoying. I'm just gonna make a new function for this. That does some fucking dumbass logic. Could probably just fuck this. Can I do it then? Yes. Please work. Start type. What? Did I mistype again? The answer is yes, but yes. Yay! Oh my god. Finally worked. Hold on, somebody wrote something on Twitch chat. J92R asks, how's the game development going? Well, it's going. I don't know. I've been stuck in architecture engine crap without any visuals for a while now, so... Okay, loads correctly, so let's launch and see what it
Smooth.
does. Yay, it loads the region, and it loads the player. Amazing! Okay. There we go. Can do a thing. Now I want to see whether I can actually save stuff again. Let me just quickly put this together, actually. Like that. Where was this thing? There we go. Okay, fantastic. Okay, next comes the actual saving of things, which means I need to go back into the editor and load things, save region. What was the button for that? I think F2? Yes. Here goes nothing. Wait. Here goes nothing. Yay! Not a character output stream. That's an easy fix. Wait, why not? Should be one. What the fuck? Huh? What kind of stream is it then? Oh my god. Oh, it's an input stream. That's interesting. Dear packets. Why is everything downcased too? Direction was not carried over properly, I think, is the problem. Save region. Where does that packet come from? Good. Good stuff. This here does use direction output, so...
The downcasing is a little disturbing.
Yeah, it's probably because there's a... with leaf IO syntax somewhere in there, which does things downcased, so that when you print things to files, it doesn't scream at you. But yes, I've been so used to everything screaming at me that now it looks weird. I don't like it. I want my screaming back. Okay, I would like to know where the save region thing comes from that apparently causes things to be downcased somehow. Or, you know... Wait, actually, why is it... Save V0.
Okay, so it's because the error is on that code path. Phew.
Yeah. Code region. What is it? Hold on, I'm confused. Encode region. Huh? Why is it calling save region? Huh? Oh wait, I called save region. I'm getting so confused right now. It's glorious. So this should have direction output. I don't understand why it does not.
Haha.
I wish the TTS could have some, you know, some oomph, some emphasis on things like haha instead of haha. I would pay for better TTS technology as long as it doesn't cost me 10,000 bucks. Would pay like $5. Okay, so for some reason the direction is not passed along properly. Where is that? Call with packet. This copies it. Okay.
Then I'd have to type it out carefully so it could still should this sterile. Sound.
Well, I guess you could always use a different language TTS. I just want my TTS to be more condescending, you know? I don't understand why this is...
Haha.
Direction is input somehow. Okay, so the problem is from there, but how? Did I make a dummy dum-dum mistake? No, direction is output. Hmm?
Also we need singing syntax. Maybe time to get a deck tuck.
Why? Wait, oh dear, package. Where is the call with packet happening? Useless. Fucking useless. So call save region, and I don't know what it is. So that of course is the version. Okay. What the fuck? It's not an integer. I know that much. Wow, it adds a bunch of versions there. That's not good. So here we have a dir packet, and I can't access it because fun. Where does that come from? Because here the direction is clearly output, so I don't understand what it's doing. Call with packets, closure. Okay. So it has an offset. It's coming from there, but... Saving region base. I don't get this. Oh, wait. I think I know now. Now we know! Yeah, there's some stuff here. Yeah, there it is. Because the other packet was an input. Yeah, that's actually an issue that I don't know how to deal with yet. The idea is that a packet sort of represents either an archive or something else. But it, like, there's a couple of, and you're supposed to like be able to make sub packets so you can address inner contents in a similar fashion. But there's some problems when you mix that together. So, for instance, if you have a zip within a zip, or if you have a directory and a zip within a directory. So, yeah, I don't know. That's, yeah, that's a problem that I haven't dealt with yet. Okay, now though, it saved something. Okay, great. Let's have a look-see. World, region, space, data. Start 5. Well, there's some stuff here. Yeah, okay. Good. Looks promising. So now I can also load the region again, I believe. Let's test that as well. 3. And that did not do what I hoped it would. Something else broke. Right. Control F3. Crash! Yay! Because... Oh, right, because I commented that part out. That, handles the asset loading. Yeah. Whoops. What is this now? What? Back pipeline. What is that called? Wait, okay, never mind, it should be called, but... okay, yeah, that's clearly something that doesn't work properly right now. So, actually... I'm just gonna have to do it here. Like that. Okay, so far so good. Let's try loading it. Still an error. Why? Is the TTS too closely integrated to whatever reads the chat? What do you mean?
Nice. Are almost nice.
Yeah. I don't think I need a key for loading the world, to be honest, so let me actually remove that. change these to be F1 and F2.
Did something incorrect get saved into the file?
No, it's the error is related to it not loading assets correctly. I don't know why. Is it much effort to change the TTS while keeping it whatever feeds it? It shouldn't be. Right now it just uses Google Translate. It's a maiden module, so it's open source and everything. Google Translate is convenient because all you need to do is call a URL and it gives you back an MP3 file that you can just play back. So almost nothing for me to do, aside from handling the playback and chunking things up into sizable length strings. Make a TTS, oh my god. You mean from scratch, making your own voice synthesizer? Because that's fucking hard, my man. That is some effort. That's some... Okay. So it should, when you load the region now, it should force a transition, which should recompute all the assets and should... No, wait, never mind, that won't happen. I'm a dumbass. Why did I think that would happen? This does absolutely nothing. How am I gonna do this? That's an interesting problem. Huh. I have not thought about this properly. Wait, actually... Transition scene. Why is that a scene necessarily? It should just be a container, to be honest. Or this should be anything, honestly. Probably don't need one because it automatically picks it up. But yeah, I think this can be more general. It doesn't need to be restricted to scenes. Which means then I can use the transition on the region itself to compute the delta and get things loaded. Okay. This should be a container. Let me just... Okay, so now... Actually, that won't work anyway. Not like that. Okay, let's try this again. Didn't do shit. Oh, because the editor is not active. Hey! Kind of works, except now we got double camera. Cool. Why do we have double camera? Interesting. Because the camera is not actually saved, so I don't know what's happening. What happens if I do it again? Do we get quadruple? No, still the same. Oh wait, the editor is still
All the
active.
better to see your bugs with.
It was a problem with the pause stack again. I know now why the problem existed. Pause stack is fucking garbage in this engine. Look at this, nice. Okay, I get why, but okay. Okay, so it works, but problem is again the pause stack is broken. Just the
Ghost mode.
the pause stack is my broken solution to the problem of how do you handle pausing.
What's the pause stack?
Not pause, pause. P-A-U-S-E, pause stack. The problem is, you know, when you have potentially multiple things that need to take away input from other things. So when you enter the editor, the rest of the world should be frozen and not receive any events anymore. And then if you, in the editor, open like a text prompt, then that should again freeze the editor. So there's a stack of things that essentially what it does is really stupid, which is it just takes all the handlers that are currently registered and removes them and replaces them with another kind of thing, in this case the editor, and once the pause is removed it switches those out again. But the problem is it doesn't usurp things and prevent them from adding new handlers while something is paused, because it doesn't know whether to. So when you load a region while the editor is active, it adds new handlers to the pause stack on top of it for the player and everything. And then when you unpause again, then it removes those handlers, so now you can't play because it's broken. I'm not entirely sure what to do aside from unpausing and pausing again between loads, so I'm just gonna do that. Where is that crap stored anyway? Is that in the world? Yeah, unpause game. What is now? Invalid. And it arcs. Huh? Excuse me? Why is that? I don't understand why this is wrong. It's not calculating the offset right anymore. What? What the fuck? What is it? I'm confused. Why are these invalid? This should be valid. What the fuck? What the hell are you talking about? Man, the debugging experience really could leave things to desired. Actually, let me do a hard restart, just to be sure. Hope I saved everything. Okay. What were the keys again? Did I change them already? I think I did, yeah. So F2 in the editor. Excuse me, what? Should add a key for that after all, maybe. Let's give that. What is F12? Inspect. I don't fucking know what to give this. There's too many, not enough keys. So let's just do it like this for now. Okay. Control. What was it? F2. Okay. Yay! Now it works right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, onwards to save states. Where's the loading time like? 1, 2. Wrong key, but that's interesting. Pretty much instant for something small. Good. Nice. Though I don't like that it's loading this fucking many assets. That shouldn't be happening. 63 assets? Really? Let me have a look at that. What is it loading? What the fuck are you talking about, asshole? Ah. Okay. Why is it loading so much? This should be the same. Very confusing. It's reloading all the frame buffers and things. What the fuck? These should be exactly the same. This one I can understand. But the rest? The fuck? So what is it offloading? 3 things. Briggs array. What the hell? Why is it loading so much? Something isn't right. Oh, I see. It's not actually loading them. It's thinking it's loading them because this region is associated with the world, so it goes and traverses the world as well, which should probably prevent. I see. Jesus. Okay. I think that's because it's a layer container, probably? It's a container unit. There was a thing to prevent stuff from doing things, so... where was that? Loader. Thing to do things. Band slots, yes. So we can do... probably do that in general. What was it again? Container units. Okay, let's try this again. Control F2. Hey, now that looks a lot better. Still not sure where these are coming from, but that's fine. Okay. Nice. Good. Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay. Yeah. Let me quickly upload these changes. Improve the loader system. Very detailed commit messages, as always. I am a professional. Okay. Okay. Now, save states. Next thing. Quickly, before the time runs out. Oh shit, only 7 minutes left. Alright. Well, I'll go a bit over time. Because it's so early in the day. Okay, so we need to associate a save state instance somewhere. The question is where? I think the world would be the most sensible place to put that. Or would it? Is the save state part of the world or is it not? Doesn't seem like it is. It's more like an external thing, so maybe it should be a main after all. Yeah, probably. What kind of things do we have? Yeah, okay. Okay. And then we can add some methods. Not controller. Context. That's... Why is the name so weird? The fuck? Oh. That should be more intuitive. Wait, is that even correct? Load state. No, it's not. Wait, yes it is. Okay, yeah, okay. Here it's just not correct. There we go. Okay. Now... F3. No applicable method during printing. That's great. My favorite. Verbose log. Or the save state's not printable for some fucking reason? Oh yeah, there's no name. I guess... should be that. Well, through E-type case. What? What? What do you... What the fuck do you mean? So confused. What? Where's it getting a safe state from? Huh? What is the controller doing with that anyway? Wait, it's just translating events. It has a load game and save game thingy. Using that for anything? Nope. What is that though? This is... What? Oh. I'm a dumbass. Okay. I see. Because they were named the same thing, it was trying to make a class of that. Okay. It's still happening though. Because, yeah, okay. I'll just restart real quick. Packet required. Okay, it saved something. Let's see where it did that. Things are supposed to be accommodate. Okay, apparently it's not there. We'll have it in a second, I swear. Well, I don't swear on the second, but, you know, metaphorically in a second. Okay. F3, didn't do shit. F4, packet required. Why is it trying to reload the scene? What the fuck? Oh, it has this thing still on. I'm just gonna remove those for now. I know I could remove them instead of restarting, but restarting is less of a bother, to be honest. Oh my god. This time I'm gonna try and do this. But I don't know if it actually works. Nope. It didn't. Something is fucked there as well, I'm sure. Removing handlers not being propagated or some garbage like that. Okay. F3. Nothing. Good. F3. Yes. Good. Getting somewhere. Kind of. Not really. There's no next method on safe state. What are the arguments? Ah! It's a world and T. Wait. Huh? Now I'm confused again. Okay, it should be like that. Okay, now we're doing better. F3. Don't know how to write. Okay. That's fine. Where is it? Path does not exist. Getting further and further. Hash table is not off type list, right? What? Oh, right, I was, okay, I see. Hold on. There's a... yeah. Or not? What's the problem now? What the fuck? It's not of type on site byte, what? I hate that the backtrace sometimes misses out on methods. It makes debugging so much more of a pain in the ass. What is your problem? Read sequence. Okay.
Agreed.
It gets a string buffer instead of a byte buffer. Okay, package. Let's see here. Is it right package? Element type. What? Why am I doing that? That's weird. Oh, it expects a byte array. I wasn't aware of that. Alright. Pick instance. Okay. And it did a thing. Let's look at the thing. Zip. That's very interesting because it should not have any of that. Why is the data in there? What the fuck is happening? Okay, let's look at the meta. That at least is fine. Global region is base. That is weird.
PEWTF.
Okay. The reason is because it's trying to add... What the fuck is happening here? Oh, right. Saving way too much. I understand why the problem exists. Okay. But why is the... Why are these considered additions? Because they're not. They're there. And so many times too. It's odd. So the problem is in the delta computation. And the state is actually not right either, because we're not traversing. Things to consider. I guess this is gonna be an extra long stream now. Even though I need to get going soon. Today is an incredibly busy day for me. Let's also look at the storyline real quick. That's nothing. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so I have a meeting at, well, not meeting, but a date at 2, and then another one for ELS at 4:30, and then an evening thingy at 7. So lots of things, and most of them are in different parts of the city, so I need to rush around. Fun. Anyway, so for some reason it's not calculating these deltas correctly.
Hopefully can tune in tomorrow.
Yeah, I will be sick. By the way, baggers, if you have any recommendations for good books, either good noir or good cyberpunk or good post-apocalypse or a combination of all the three, please let me know. Because I need to read up on some literature. I mean, this looks correct to me, I just don't...
Will do, but nothing comes to mind.
Okay. That's too bad. Hello, Darius. What? Huh? That makes even less sense than anything I've seen before. What? Huh? Oh, because I'm doing it before the traverse. I'm dumb. Okay. Okay.
Perfect cliffhanger for the end of the stream. Damn it, worked it out.
I'm not giving up yet. I want to get this done. So we get the chunk multiple times, which is wrong. I don't know why that happens. I thought the iterator should take care of that. Apparently it does not. Region. Layer container. It does not take care of that, but that's fine. So these are different chunks, right? Okay, right, I can't do the comparison like that. I can't do EQ. Okay, makes sense, because they're not the same objects. Interrupt, Johnny. Error. Good. Wait, what happened? Why did it crash? What? Whatever. Okay. Okay, now it has too little in it. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you... Let me just, really quickly. Remove this, so I have an empty slate. Okay. F3. What do you got for me? Now it's better. Okay. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Deletions nil, additions nil, state nil. State nil is not correct, but the rest, perfect, super. Okay, great. Ah, jeez. Okay, why is state nil? That is the question now, because we're not traversing recursively, I believe. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. So... flare. Do container tree. Okay. F3. Take a look. Yes. Nothing. Fuck you. Why? Oh, God. Actually, it shouldn't have made a difference there either. I don't need to map the container tree at all, do I? Well, I should. But still, okay. Player is... So apparently it gets into this always. Why? That's weird. I also really need to fix the iteration on this. It's kinda bad. Okay, yeah, it's hitting this clause here. Whoops. Yeah. Why? And this should... Yeah, that should work fine. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? Card payload. What else all are we passing on? B and a packet, which are irrelevant. There it is. Why does it not get called? What the fuck? I don't understand. Alright, see you, no defun. Have a good sleep. Great printing here. Co-payload for the chunk. Wait, it didn't error this time. So, does that mean it worked? No, wait, I catch the errors anyway, so never mind. If in co-payload player, nil, zip-right packet, maybe 0. And that calls... Oh, because we don't have the vectors. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Need to copy that shit over. There we go. There we go. Okay, now it should push through. Yep. No, it didn't. Why not, you motherfucker? It's, I'm working on a safe state system, and me being angry is just my normal state. Okay, over chunk, that's fine, but why is it... Okay, so it's not complaining about the player, but why is it not in there? Which one of these is the newer one anyway? This one. Oh, there it is! Okay, now that worked. Nice. Okay, great. So now I should be able to also reload state. Save that state, and we can ignore that again. My IP... Do you know what this IP address is? Do you even know what this IP address is? Okay, so we're moved here and reload, and it crashes. Great. Why is it called with that twice? That makes no sense. Do you have two equality methods that conflict? Probably. Load state. Someone is really telling me that I'm gonna get a DDoS from having my internal IP exposed. Maybe you should learn a bit more about what IPs are and which ones are a problem and which aren't, before you go around telling people that they should be careful. Okay, load state, yeah. Okay, that method is fine. Wait, what? That's... Why are these methods switched around? Did I not? It's not the fact that you don't care it's my computer. It's an internal IP address. It can't be accessed from outside, you dingleberry.
It's true, I am hacks right now.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. F4. No such file, right? Okay, don't care about that. Save it here. Move over there. And crash again.
UC drive is doomed.
Yeah, man. I'm so close. Okay. What is the deal now? Do I have that? Load state. I don't have a load state for the other one. Okay.
The problems are because hacks downloaded your RAM.
Oh shit. I wish my problems were always this straightforward. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that's an interesting one. Decode payload. What in the world? Oh, I don't have a unit thingy for the region. Yeah. I see. Okay. Not sure how to deal with this. Alright, well, anyway, this has been long enough of a stream. Let me go into regions, space, data, and delete this one. Are raw files? Yeah, okay, reversion, good. Under LFS. Tons of work on save states, and save files, and saving everything. Alright, we're almost there. There's only a problem of, so typically entities are added into a scene graph, and the scene graph keeps a table of names to entities, but when we're loading the save state of a region, then we're accessing the region, which doesn't know how to do that. So I think, no. There's an interesting problem here. I think. No. I see. Okay, I should be able to do scene graph region. Maybe let's try that real quick. F3. F4. Crash. No decoder for target under save V0. Okay. Is it the wrong way around again? Is that the deal? I think so. Oh god. Save. Load. Okay. For some reason, it's now complaining about things not... Why are you getting... It's not adding any entities, so why is it not complaining about shipping missing? Should only be modifying things. That is weird. Weird. I don't know. Okay. Anyway. Okay, well, I'll work on things some more myself. Yeah. but it's pretty much almost done. Whether it'll stand the test of time is another question entirely, but I feel a lot better about this than the system I had in place previously, which was just a hodgepodge of things. Right, so after this, let's take a look at the things. So we still need to fix a bunch of stuff about the quest system, and most notably we need to write an editor for it, a UI that allows me to write quest stuff actually in some conceivably comfortable manner. So I think that's what's going to happen next, is a UI for the quest system. And this is probably going to be not in the game itself rather than the editor otherwise. It's probably going to be something in maybe Clim, I don't know, maybe HTML. I don't know yet. I haven't decided on what I want to use for the UI. So we'll see. We shall see. Anyway, yeah, more tomorrow at the usual time, 8 o'clock evening. Today was a special early stream because I'm gone. Anyway, thanks to everyone in chat as always.
Ace, thanks for the stream.
And yeah, thanks for sticking around, and I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.